Hello guys and welcome back to Gadget Grasp 101 channel. Today we are going to be learning how to fix Facebook Messenger not showing active friends. If you are experiencing issue with Facebook Messenger not showing your active friends, there are several potential reasons for this problem. Here is a tutorial on how to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Check internet connection. Ensure that your phone has a stable internet connection. Messenger relies on a good internet connection to display active friends. Update Messenger app. For that, open the Google Play Store and search for Messenger. If any update option is available, tap on update option. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Messenger app. Restart Messenger. Close the Messenger app completely and reopen it. This can help refresh the app and resolve temporary glitches. Restart your phone. Restarting your phone can also help resolving various app related issues. After that, check Messenger setting. For that, open the Messenger app. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. You can see here setting icon. Tap on it. In this page, you can see here active status. Tap on it. Make sure your active status is turned on. If none of the above steps work, go back from the active status and scroll down. You can see here report technical problem. Tap on it. In this page, you should briefly explain about your issue. You can add photo or screenshot of the issue. After that, tap on send. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.